Hello guys, welcome to another video presentation. My name is Deka the Great, your signal provider in simple trades. So today I will be sharing a research tool with you, Cryptobubble. So on this Cryptobubble, I am going to show you guys how you can research coins that will do really well in the coming days. Now, note that if you are looking for a coin that will do 20%, 10% today, please, this might not really work for you. This research method works for people that are willing to hold for maybe 3 7 days. So it may be likely it favors more intraday traders, people that can hold their trades for a good number of days. So if you follow this research very well, you'll be able to spot coins that will really do well in the coming days. So today I am going to use Cryptobubble. There are also other research tools that I can use to make a research, but for today I'm going to show you guys how I use Cryptobubble to spot coins that will do well in the coming days. So the first thing when I go to Cryptobubble, you can set your parameters here. You can set your parameters, what you want to be looking at, either daily, hourly, or weekly, or monthly. So but I will put my this thing, I am going to put it on daily. So I want to see what has happened to coins today. So what next am I still going to do? After you set what you are looking for, you can also add here. If you click on this plus, you can see other filter that you can put here. These are the filters that you can use, but I'm not going to touch anything on this filter. I will just simply put it to day so that I can see today. So today you can see this is how far these coins have performed. These are the performance so far on each of these coins today. Now, because I trade on Binance, most times I restrict my research to Binance. So I will come here and select Binance. So I will come here and select Binance. Now, since I want to trade on futures and most of the coins, now if you check all these coins, they are coins that are traded on spot on Binance. But then there are some coins that are listed on Binance Spot but are not listed on Binance Futures. And most of the coins, maybe newly launched, that are listed on Binance Futures are not on Binance Spot. So for that, using Binance to do this research is really going to filter out some of those coins that are on spot but not on, sorry, some of those coins that are on futures but not on spot. So if I use only Binance, now only coins that are on spot will show here. The ones that are on futures but not on spot will not show. So for that, I want to be inclusive and I want to get everything. So if you want to consider only coins that are on spot, you can consider using futures and using Binance. You can consider setting this filter down here to Binance. If not, you can go and select the coins based on category. So if you click on this, you can go up here, then select the coin based on category. So this category, they are coins based on their market cap that are from 1 to top 100 coins that are here, and it continues all the way. So this is from 101 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, and so forth. So let us put it here. Now, if I want to consider this approach, anyone is fine. Anyone will give us the same result. So I want to use Binance coins. I want to check Binance coins that are on Binance to do this research. What will I do? Now that I've set my filters, so I am going to be looking at the performance of these coins in the past week and in the past month. So that is basically what I am going to look at now to make my choices. So when I look at the performance of this coin, you can see on this row, These are the performance of this coin so far this week. This is how much this coin has performed this week. And this other one is for this one is for this week. This is weekly performance, and this other one is for monthly performance. So what am I looking at? Now, if you see that there is a certain um movement, a bullish movement in the market, and there are some, not every coin will move at the same time. Not every coin will go bullish at the same time. So I want to spot and find out those coins that have not really done good numbers, those coins that have not moved. So first I'll consider my monthly. So for this month I will be looking for coins. On the monthly, I will be looking for coins that have dumped maybe minus 40, 30, 50%. So I start to consider from higher percentage. So first I'll go and look for coins that has dumped the highest this month. So if I find any coin that has done minus 40%, minus 50%, minus 60% this month, then I will take note of that coin. So we are still on the monthly. So as you can see on the monthly, we have not seen any of those coins, but we have seen minus 24%. Am I really going to consider minus 24%? Let me check more. Let me check more. This is minus 22%. Yeah. This is minus 22%. Let me look for other coins. So this method of research is very simple. So here we see something that is minus 55%, and you see that this coin minus 55% this month and has also dumped minus 27% this week. That's also dumped minus 27% this week. What is the name of this coin? This is LA. Lagrange. So now what am I going to do? You go to Binance or anywhere this coin is trading. Look at the market cap is 69. Is still a low cap. Go to where this coin is trading. I'm looking at Binance. So when I go to Binance, I'm going to look for this coin. But then if you don't want to go to Binance and look for this coin, if you don't want to go to Binance, this is what you should do. This is what you should do. If I don't want to go to Binance and check the history, the trading history of this coin. Now this is what I will do. I will click on this coin here. Now when you click on it, right here, you will see the exchanges. Yeah, you will see the exchanges where this coins is trading. Then at this other one, you will see where we give you more information. This is trading view, this is CoinGecko, and this is CoinMarketCap. If you click on trading view, this from here, this one is taking you straight to trading view where you will see the chart of this coin. But now I want to go to Binance and check this coin. So what I will do, I will head straight to Binance and type that coin. Now, what do I want to see in that coin on Binance? I want to check the chart pattern, and I want to check if that coin on the chart has history of pump and dump. I want to check if it has history of pump and dump. So now on this chart now, you can see that in the past months, you see how much this coin has been dumping. So this coin has really been dumping. See, all the way down, it has been dumping. And let me go to one. This is on the daily, so you can see. Let me check quickly. This is actually a new launch. This is actually a new launch, and you see how much it's been dumping on the 4 hours. So this coin, if you will trade this coin right now, allow this coin to give you a good bullish momentum. It should give you a good bullish momentum, because before you start to trade, if not, it may continue to create lower lows for you. It may continue to create lower lows for you. You can take the risk if you want to. It will give you a good entry, because right now the market is bullish. Fine, it can give you a good entry, but you can see right now the coin has not really given any reversal, or it's not really, it's still very bearish. But if maybe this coin breaks, let me check, since a lean coin. Now if maybe this coin breaks this level, if maybe this coin breaks this level, something like this, and come and retest, I can tell you that this coin will be very bullish. But then one thing about coins like this is that they might not give you that opportunity. You can see this coin can pump even 500% in one candle. That is why we spot coins like this. But then when you are trading coins like this, you have a long-term goal in mind. You are not going to over leverage or oversize in such a way that one candle will take you out. You don't trade this coin with high leverage. So now that is that about that. Let me go and look for another coin, if we can see another one. If we will see another coin, that one is a very new launch. So let's see, this is 23%. Let's see if we see something. This is 39%. Now for the whole month, this coin dumped 39% and has moved plus 14% this week, and today it has done minus 8%. This coin might likely be in a good, maybe in a good support. So let's check which coin is this. This is Resolve. So if you click on it, you can see other details about it. This is Resolve. These are the exchanges it is trading. If you click trading view, it will take you direct to trading view. So let's also check Binance. What is going on with Resolve? Let's check the chart history. Okay, on Resolve, let's check. Okay, I think I dropped this coin in my group 4 days ago, and it did really well. Now you can see this coin pumped all the way to the upside 4 days ago, and now retrace. Now when it retrace, what will you do? Wait for it to come to a very good entry point. Check 4 hours where you will get a good entry point. If this coin comes to place like this, now this is a good entry, but it's trading below. This would have been another good entry, but it has broken this support that has turned resistance. So what will I do? Like I said, you trade these coins with a long-term goal in mind. You trade this coin with a long-term goal in mind. So result is a peak. It's our peak. So if you allow this resolve in the next 7 days, you will likely see this coin, because the market right now is bullish. You will likely see this coin will go back to where it's coming from. you likely see this coin going up. But now, wait for you to get a good entry. Wait, once you see that you have gotten a good entry, you long this coin, you will have a good result. So if you are willing to hold this coin for like 7 days, this is a coin for you. Let's look at another one. Beside that, when we open the chart, it does not really have history of pump and dump. It does not really have history of pump and dump. So we look for another one. We will look for another coin. We are still using both the weekly and the monthly performance of the coin. Let's look for another one. This is 29. So this very coin, this particular coin, has dumped 29% this month, and this week it has dumped minus 2%. Today it dumped minus 0.3%. So let's check which coin is this. The market cap is 21 million, the very low bubble map. If the market cap is 21%, it will be very volatile. Let's keep checking. Which one is this? 45% this month, 14% this week, and the market cap is 11. No, we cannot do this. So now these are the Binance coins that we have. So since Binance coins have really moved that high, now let's begin our filters too. We look at if you cannot find the using the dump. If you cannot find coins that have really dumped for this one, you now use another method. Look at coins that are not really moved more than 10% this month. That means in the entire month, coins that have not really done up to 10% in market have not increased by 10% in market cap. So you can also start to look, you can start your search. Now look at this coin. This particular coin did just plus 1% this month so far, and 25% this week. Today is plus 8. So you look at the history of this coin. The market cap is 64%, and this is SSV. So you go to Binance and check SSV. Go to Binance and check SSV. If I see that this SSV, because it has done just 1% this month, if it's at a good, if it is at a good support or point of interest, you buy. You buy and be rest assured that in the coming days, this particular coin will really do well. In the coming days. So look at the chart history of this coin. It does not really have a pump and dump history. Now, when I mean pump and dump, what do I mean by pump and dump on the chart? I will show you what I mean by pump and dump on the chart. But for now, let's consider our research that we are doing. Now, from what you will notice, you will notice that if this coin pumps, it does not hold. It does not retain or maintain that pump for a very long time. It will have to dump. So this is not a coin that if it pumps, you want to hold. You always want to take profit. And for the fact that this thing got to a point of interest here, this should have been your point of interest, and it's starting to dump. So why is your support here? Where is your support? Where is your major support? Look for a major support. Allow this coin to move into your support. Then you take a buy. That is for SSV. Let's go and look for another one. We have seen SSV. So in the coming days, you will see SSV will really do well. Let's look for another one. This has done 3% this month, 12% this week, when BTC has done more than this. So which coin is this? This is 71 market cap, 71 million market cap, Merlin. Let's check. Pond. Is it on futures? POND. So let's check this coin out. This coin is not on futures, but let's check spots. Let's check it on spots. So for those trading spot, I think this method of research will also be good for you. Now, if you check this coin on the daily, it is already dropping. Let's check on the weekly. So from the weekly, you will see that it has not even really recovered from the dump. It has not recovered from the dip. So you take good position on this coin. So let's say this coin retrace and get to somewhere here. If this coin retrace and get to somewhere here, this coin will start even moving up. So it will give you an entry, give you a good entry at this point. So expect this coin to do something like this and start moving up. So we have also seen pump. You can take note of them if you are trading spot or futures. So this is how you do your research on Cryptobubble. You can go on and begin to spot these coins. If you do not have one that which the dump the history of dump is not really giving you a good result, go for the pump, the ones that are not really move, that has not really moved that high. So like all this one that have moved just 10% in the whole month, when BTC is doing more than 10% in the month already, they are really underperforming. So those are the ones to reconsider. Then position on them. Wait and just wait and just wait. You will see how much they will, how better they will do in the coming weeks. So this is, in fact, if you continue to do this research and master it, if you are trading futures, especially, you will likely be trading coins that after 3, 4, 5 days, 7 days, before you know the coin you are holding, you will see it on top gainers. You will just see your coin doing 50% on top gainers. These are some of the research that you need to do. So in our next video, I will also show you how to do this same research on Binance to spot out this type of coins too that we do well in the coming days. I will show you how to do it on Binance. So have a nice day, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you like our videos, and also share, comment so that we can answer your questions. Until next time, bye.